Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Singh expressed thankfulness to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other central leaders for listening to the voice of the people of Manipur and for the decision to construct fencing along the entire 1,643-kilometer Indo-Myanmar border and immediate suspension of the free movement regime. The Chief Minister was briefing the media yesterday evening at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, continuing that the state government has been giving priority to keeping its people and the state's boundaries safe and secure. He maintained that the government since its formation in 2017 had been working in different ways to check the demographic balance in population growth, drug trafficking and other concerns like border fencing and unchecked free movement regime among others. Informing that a 1 kilometer stretch of fencing through a hybrid surveillance system HSS is under execution in Manipur, bordering Myanmar, he continued that fence work covering 20 kilometers in vulnerable areas have also been approved and the work will start soon. Regarding the free movement regime, he reiterated the Home Ministry's decision for immediate suspension to ensure the internal security of the country and to maintain the demographic structure of India's northeastern states bordering Myanmar. He also lauded the move of the central government to constitute a high-powered committee for considering the challenges arising from fast population growth and demographic changes. He further appreciated Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for announcing it in her interim budget speech, acknowledging what the people wanted. And Biren further stated that all the positive steps taken up by the central and state government are for the betterment of future generations. On the government's war on drugs campaign, the Chief Minister informed that the government has not stopped its work of destroying poppy plantations since the start of the campaign and added that areas of poppy plantations has decreased a lot. Identification of areas with poppy cultivation had been done through satellite mapping, he said, adding that combined team of narcotics and FMR of Border Narcotics Control Bureau, State Forces and Forest Department would destroy the poppy plantations by the end of this month. The Speaker, Manipur Legislative Assembly Minister and members of the Legislative Assembly also attended the press briefing.
My state. I can say anything about the Nagaland or I cannot say anything about the Mizoram because I am trying and I am doing for my state only. I can talk about the boundaries, about 398 kilometers in the Indo-Myanmar border with in Manipur. I cannot talk about the Mizoram area. I cannot talk about the Nagaland area because they are having their own government, their own people. Their perception might be different. But whatever I am talking is for my state. I cannot reveal now. You can see one by one. People are suffering. Resettlement is our priority. And now those farmers who are not having the advantage of ploughing and harvesting, those who live out, we are going to compensate. Now almost 36 crore has already arrived, already sanctioned, and the money around 3,300 farmers, subject to correction, their amount has been released, I think, to the DC concern. They can enjoy it.